A venture where faith isn't just a personal journey, but a shared mission. That's the beauty of a Christian business. Did you ever wonder how your faith could intersect with your entrepreneurial spirit? Yes, you heard that right. In today's world, it's not only possible, but also rewarding to combine your Christian faith with a business venture. Imagine this, a business that not only fuels the economy and provides jobs, but also stands as a beacon of Christian values. A venture where faith isn't just a personal journey, but a shared mission. That's the beauty of a Christian business. Starting a Christian business isn't just about making profits. It's about making a difference, about impacting the community positively while upholding Christian values. It's about creating a space where faith and commerce thrive together, where every transaction is a testament to Christian teachings. So, if you're ready to embark on this unique journey, you're in the right place. Now let's delve into the steps of starting a Christian business. Welcome. I am Miss Rose, UPL Virtual Assistant. This is UPL Teaching and Training Academy. Thank you for joining. First things first, what are the core values and mission of your Christian business? Now, don't get overwhelmed. This is the part where you get to pour your heart and your faith into your dream. Think of your core values as the compass of your business. These are the principles that will guide every decision you make, every step you take. They should reflect your Christian beliefs and serve as a constant reminder of why you started this journey in the first place. Your mission, on the other hand, is the roadmap. It's your why. Why does your business exist? What purpose does it serve? How will it impact the community? This mission should be firmly rooted in your faith and your desire to serve others. Remember, your core values and mission should be the heartbeat of your business. They're not just words on a page. They're the soul of your enterprise. Once you've established your core values and mission, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now let's talk business plan. No business, Christian or not, can survive without one. It's like going on a road trip without a map. You might enjoy the ride, but will you ever reach your destination? Creating a business plan is a process that entails careful thought and planning. It's your blueprint, your roadmap, your GPS, if you will, for how your business will operate, grow, and thrive. It includes everything from your business concept, your market analysis, your marketing and sales strategy, to your financial projections. But wait, there's more. As a Christian business, your plan needs an added layer, a section that explicitly outlines how your business will uphold its Christian values. This isn't just a nice-to-have, it's a must-have. It's what sets your business apart. It's the heart and soul of your enterprise. So, how do you go about it? Well, start by defining your Christian values clearly. What does it mean for your business to be Christian? How will these values be reflected in your operations, in your service or product, in your interactions with customers, employees, and suppliers? Next, consider how these values will guide your decision-making process. Your business will face many challenges, and your Christian values should serve as your compass, guiding you through the stormy seas. Then, think about how you will communicate these values to your stakeholders. How will you ensure that everyone involved in your business, from your employees to your customers, understand and respect these values? Finally, outline how you will measure and monitor the impact of these values on your business. How will you know if you're living up to your Christian commitment? What metrics will you use? What will success look like? Remember, your business plan is a living, breathing document. It will grow and evolve as your business does. So keep it updated, review it regularly, and use it as a tool to keep your business on track and aligned with your Christian values. With your business plan in hand, you're ready to move on to the next step.
Having sets of skills is one thing. Knowing how to monetize your skills and earn a living from it has always been a difficult task for some. I just launched a book on how to monetize your knowledge. This book will help you convert every aspect of skills into a money printing machine. What type of skills do you want to monetize? Individual or team building business that targets your ideal audience for a profitable output? Is it coaching, online course, consulting, or skills you have in-depth knowledge of? This book will give you a complete guide on how to start from conception of ideas to developing a framework that targets your ideal audience for a scalable business. How to Monetize Your Knowledge will show you how to develop compelling propositions that entice clients, create engaging, effective content that builds your online presence and attracts leads, monetize your expertise using various channels, scale your business for long-term success. Contact me to get a copy now.
Before you launch, it's essential to consider the legal aspects of starting a business. You see, even the most divine of business ventures have to play by earthly rules. So let's talk about some of these legal steps. Firstly, you'll need to register your business. The name you choose should resonate with your Christian values and mission. Then, you'll have to obtain the necessary permits and licenses. This process may vary depending on your location and the nature of your business. It's also crucial to understand your tax obligations. Remember, rendering unto Caesar what is Caesar's applies to business too. Here's a pro tip. Don't navigate these waters alone. Consult with a lawyer, especially in maintaining the Christian focus of your business. They can provide guidance on how to integrate your faith into your business operations while staying within legal bounds. Now that you've considered the legal aspects, let's move on to the final step. You've set the foundation, and now it's time to launch and grow your Christian business. Let's dive right in, shall we? Launching a Christian business is like setting sail on a vast ocean of opportunities. Your compass, the strategies you've carefully crafted. You've built the ship, now let's hoist the sails and catch the wind. Attracting customers is your first port of call. Remember, your business is not just selling products or services, it's sharing a message, a way of life rooted in Christian values. Let your light shine so that people are drawn to it. Use your unique selling proposition, the one that's steeped in your faith, to differentiate your business from others. Now, as you navigate the waters of the business world, growth is inevitable. But with growth comes the challenge of maintaining your Christian values. It's like steering your ship through a storm. It requires skill, patience, and a firm hand on the helm. Make sure your growth strategies align with your core values. Expand your business, but not at the expense of your faith. Community engagement is another crucial aspect of your journey. Think of your community as fellow voyagers. Engage with them, learn from them, and share your voyage's experiences. It's not just about business transactions, it's about building relationships, fostering trust, and creating a sense of belonging. And let's not forget about ethical business practices. In the hustle and bustle of business, it's easy to lose sight of ethics. But remember, as a Christian business, you are called to uphold a higher standard. Your business practices should reflect your faith, promoting honesty, integrity, and respect for all. Starting a Christian business is an exciting journey, one that allows you to combine your faith with your entrepreneurial spirit. Good luck on your journey, and may your business flourish and uphold the Christian values at its core. Kindly like, share, subscribe, and see you in our next video.